Well, one of many issues that are facing education that I think happens to be important is the ability for somebody to be able to translate their informal experiences with science, which is how most people actually learn science. It's outside of the classroom over their lifetime. Being able to translate that into something that matters to them, whether that's formal accreditation at a college or a vocational school, or whether that's currency, cold hard cash. I think that's one big issue that's facing education right now, is that inability to be able to translate experiences outside of the formal learning environment into something that can advance or enhance the quality of life for that learner. I think open science approaches can help with that by maybe linking into movements like the Open Badging Network and filling in some gaps and really trying to help validate, as I mentioned, the currency or what it means. What do the badges mean in real life? How can that help somebody who is living in an economically depressed area be able to have a better life?